Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't pass by without clicking on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell to enable you get notification when I post similar videos. Don't forget to like and don't forget to drop your comments below the comment section, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you guys so much. So yes, today I'm going to be talking to us about thrusting techniques. Okay, trusting techniques, knowing what to do. The thing is that I keep saying knowing the basic and fundamental is the same thing. When you want to embark on a journey, know the root source, know what you're doing, know how to go about it, know what the necessary requirements and what it takes for you to be there. So yes, that is it. And now let me tell you, in our society today, most men find it very difficult to try out new things, to bring new ideas. They stick to doing a particular thing over and over again. And now you know this saying, repetition of the same thing doesn't give you a different result. It gives you the same result. So which is to say, even if you're to repeat the same thing for the next 10 years, you are getting the same result that you've been getting for the past 10 years. So that is it. And now most thing that men don't know is that women love men that surprises them. Women love men that keep them guessing. Women love men that they know there's always something to bring to the table. They are always expecting. They are expectant. They are excited. That's it. Because when you're this way, they keep running back for more. But when you're stuck at your old ideas, it becomes boring. And the next thing, they start looking out there for something more, something new, because that is fun. They don't want to have a boring life. So yes, the ability to inculcate new things in the life of you and your partner, that is what makes the sex life fulfilled and fun. Yes, so that is it. So now let's look at this whole touch up things, techniques, tricks, and tips to guide us in this journey. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to tell us is knowing the ability that you have now, ability to mix up a little. You must mix up a little. Yes. So now the ability to bring a variety of techniques in your personal life, in your relationship life with your partner starts from somewhere. It starts from knowing what to do, knowing the next move, knowing how to go about it, knowing what thrusting is all about and where do I start from? How and where do I start from? So now the next thing I will say is ability to go fast for 10 to 20 seconds and then slow down for the next minute. You must be able to know this. You slow down for the next minute. Then a couple of shallow thrusts, and then before you go deep, you go deep. You bring the deeper ones. Yes. And then you have to know that thrusting has to do with speed, thrusting has to do with depth, thrusting has to do with rhythm. Yes, these are the three main focus when thrusting. So you must know when to do and what to do. So because the speed varies and it makes it unpredictable. When you are like this way, you see that your partner cannot predict what you do next. They are always optimistic because they know that with you have surprises. So the next I'm going to talk to us about is go according to her need. Yes, it's all about satisfaction. Pleasure is a mutual has to do with mutual understanding, the ability to please her while she does the same. So when you're doing this, if she tells you go faster, and then she's tagging on you, tagging on your clothes or tagging on your arms, something about go faster or go deeper, do exactly. Don't slow down. When you slow down, it becomes a turn off for her. Ability to know when to go fast. If she asks for go fast, then go fast. Go fast. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. She asks for faster and deeper, then go fast and put your best. That's what makes it sweet, because it's no longer about you, it's about satisfying the other person in question. So you must be able to know when to slow down, and then when you notice you are reaching your ejaculation, what do? You slow down. That is what you do. You slow down. You see, it matters the way you follow these things. It matters the way you follow these things. Then let me tell you how to start off. You want to start off, there's a way you do these things. When you want to start off, see, it is always the best to start off slowly. You cannot start off big. You start off slowly, then you escalate. When you start off slowly, it helps. Now, when you start off fast, it might be that she's not that wet yet down there. Now, leading you to hurting her. Yes, you start hurting her. So when you start slowly, you start escalating to the point that you pick up your speed. When you pick up your speed, then you go. So you must start slowly, okay? You must start off with slow thrust for a while. Then you add your speed, then you add your depth, and then your rhythm. You make sure that all these things are in line. So it is safe for you to start slow. Ensure you start slow. Then you can go deeper. You can go deeper. Okay, so now let's talk about the Taos thrust technique. Yes, Taos thrust technique has a different way that you operate. There's a pattern to it. Okay, which I believe I'm showing the video and you guys are seeing how to go about it. Yes, so now bringing Taos thrust technique. You must know how to go. This is where you come in very shallow. You bring in the shallow thrust for like, okay, let's say you want to count to 10. You bring in the shallow thrust for 9. You bring in 9 shallow thrust. Okay, like you count 9 shallow, shouldn't be far, shouldn't be this, you understand? Then you go 9. Then you bring in 1 deep thrust. Yes. Then the same thing applicable. When you do 8, you bring 2. When you do 7, you bring 3. When you do 6, you bring 4. When you do 5, you bring 3. You bring 5 deep thrust. When you do 5, you bring 6 deep thrust. When you do, so this is how you take it till you reach 1, and then you feel you want to do it over again until you master the whole thing. And now it comes to a level where you stop counting because you have mastered the technique. But now, as a beginner journey trying to adapt, you should count. That way, it keeps you stable, and then as time goes on, you get to master it all. So yes, that's it for this video. And remember, like I said, thrust has to do with 3 things. It has to do with speed, it has to do with depth, it has to do with rhythm. So guys, thank you so much, and watch out for my next video.